Hello everyone, my name is Kamilla. Today I will show you how to blind a girl named Six. She is from the game Little Nightmares. Six is the main protagonist of Little Nightmares, a supporting character in Very Little Nightmares, and the protagonist of Little Nightmares 2. She is known as a smart and hearty girl of about 9, the main sign of which is a yellow raincoat with a triangular-shaped hood. Throughout the entire universe of games, Six is trying to survive in a world filled with cruel monsters, seeking to destroy it by any means. Trapped in the darkest depths of the maw, starving and alone, Six's world is one filled with danger. Most children would have already given up, but Six is different. She's smart and tough and has a lovely yellow raincoat. She belongs elsewhere. Awakening in a world she cannot recognize, Six must learn to trust someone else if she is to stand a chance of survival. She has already seen more than any normal child ever should, but then, Six is not a normal child. Little is known about Six's past before the game's events, but it's stated that she belongs elsewhere, implying that she used to live somewhere else before she arrived at the maw. Her backstory is further explored in the comics, which show that Six originally lived in an unnamed city until she was captured by the ferryman. The maw is a large floating entertainment facility in the middle of the ocean that specializes in imprisoning children for unspecified but implied reasons and hosting massive annual banquets for particularly gluttonous travelers. The children are guarded by a blind but perceptive and dangerous man simply known as the janitor. In Very Little Nightmares, it is revealed that Six was also a prisoner in the nest. As shown in a post-credit scene, it is implied she obtained her yellow raincoat following the demise of the girl in the yellow raincoat and escaped using a raft. That's all what I know. I continue to sculpt the character from the game, and you follow the sculpting process. Here is the character I sculpted today. If you like my stories and plasticine works, share this video with your friends. And also like, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell so as not to miss the new video.